What if I told you that death is not the end, and that every breath you take is part of a galaxy-wide rhythm of God's light flowing through you? I'm about to share a sacred practice of adoration, wearing a cross, holding a Sikh prayer with memories of Jesus, Kali, and galaxies made of color. This is part one, the light we come from. Here I am, sitting in a Turkmen dress, wearing a cross, Christian cross, and about to share with you the Catholicism practice called adoration, but not with the Christian sacred text, even though I do read Christian prayers when I do certain things, certain healing rituals. I can read the prayers of Christianity, Muslim, Sikh religion. This is the book that I spent 10,000 hours with, beginning in January 2003. And now we have, 2025, yeah? So there. Japji Sahib, written in 16th century by Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak lived in 16th century, but I did have experiences with him, just like I had experiences with Metatron, Melchizedek, Jesus Christ, on a subtle level, you know. I had some experiences experiencing Shiva and Kali. So this is what the rainbow medicine about. It's a point where everything come true and come one, because that oneness is what we are made of. In the very, very beginning, all the elements that circulate through your system, they came out of one place, one galaxy, when our Creator created our galaxy. I hear there is another galaxy there called Sculpt the Galaxy. 65 billion years, light years away. They took a ton of different pictures and put it together to get one picture of it. Ah, God, beautiful, huh? Life is really endless. The universe is really endless. God is really endless, without beginning and end. And when we learn to become more and more like God, we become endless, without beginning and end. I mean, whatever happens to you in this life form, in this lifetime, I know it's like really, really hard sometimes to let go of our loved ones, or like to even let go of this precious life when, you know, it's not the card number 13 in tarot, mostly shaped like a man, death, yeah? Sometimes it's shaped like a woman, but it's a majesty, yeah? It's a majesty. It's a majesty that is coming just for this flesh experience in this body. But soul is already one with everything, and she actually just gets free when you die. And of course, if you have very rigid beliefs for a while, until your mind as molecules, you know, your mind is held together too, the molecules of all of your beliefs. But then when you are gone, there will be some time, you know, that's why they celebrate the 0 day, and then the, I don't know, about 1 day, possibly 3 days, 7 days, 9 days, 10 days, 40 days. Maybe the cultures vary a little bit, but 3 days, 9 days, 40 days, then a year, yeah, after someone departs. And even the tears are shed, and those tears believed to help that soul to kind of like free itself of all of the negativity, bad karma, and to move on with freshness and light, to flow into that light, one light that we all came from. I mean, for me, it's so clear. It is so clear. This large, big picture uniting us all, absolute absence of the fear of death, not just accepted, but thought through every millimeter of that space. That is how it's clear to me.
This book changed my life. Over 10,000 hours, and I still open it like it's the first time.
I love it. Jap means repeat. G means soul, your light, your God particle inside you, that you can actually grow so big and like fill every millimeter the inside of your flesh body. And if your faith is that strong, it actually flows into your aura, into your field. And your aura, every human being on the stretch of the human arm, that's like, you know, your egg, your energy field, your aura. But if you are exceptional human being with this radiance and light, then that aura is much larger. It's the light shining off of you, ahead. It is said about Jesus Christ that he had 33 feet light around him, 33 feet light radiance. As you see, I don't have that much energy right now, but I still want to serve. This is the essence of the rainbow medicine, yeah? Rainbow therapy. Rainbow as allowing yourself to integrate the highest, the best in everything that your consciousness, life, human experience offers.
Dear friends, I'm here not just to speak, but to connect. Let me know in the comments what spoke to you most. And if you want to go deeper together, I'm listening. Please subscribe for the second part that is called Consciousness Beyond Walls.